What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to smash another full body workout. Full body workouts are ideal for weight loss. Since we are using no equipment aside from the machine I'm calling your body, we are going to be more efficient. Now, being more efficient is definitely going to help you maximize your endurance in the end of the day, also increasing that muscle mass, which is going to help you lose weight. Although I said there's no equipment needed, you're definitely going to need some water because we're going to go through 4 rounds. So I must have you hydrate so you don't pass out and you can hit that refresh button. Remember, do not cheat yourself. If you want these results, you have to go through the 4 rounds. Each round is going to last a little more than 6 minutes, so make sure you put in all the work. The exercise is going to last 30 seconds, and we're going to switch from highs to lows. So, do as many reps as you can. All right. When you do those reps, make sure you give me some quality reps. If you feel like you're going to give me that garbage stuff, take a break, refresh, and get right back into it. Remember, you can pause me too. Don't pause me too long though. Positive comments is what I am looking for. So if you do have something to say, make sure you comment down below, and it may get featured in the next video. Now, I want you to flex on that like button, but I also too want you to flex on my Instagram. I am trying to get to 10,000 followers, so help me out, Mixonites. I need you just like you need me. We need each other. Let's go work out. All right, so let's get over to the mat. We're gonna start off with the under the gate push-ups, okay? Your hands gonna be right above or right below your shoulders. You're gonna bring your glutes up into the air until you pike into that position, working the chest, shoulders, triceps. Let's go. Make sure you exhale as you do the work. Already 10 seconds into it. Putting your feet together will make the workout a lot harder. So if you want to ease it up, either spread your feet apart or come down to your knees. 3, 2, 1, and break. Next workout is going to be the walkout. Your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. You're going to keep your hands taped to the ground, so no hands should leave the ground at the same time. All right, now with that being said, you're going to walk it out into a plank position, engaging the core, shoulders, and chest, and glutes too as well. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You're at the halfway point. Give me 4 more. Walk it out. Keep that core engaged. Make sure you breathe. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and take that break. We're gonna do a split squat next, okay? If you cannot jump into a split squat, that's perfectly fine. Make sure you walk yourself right into it. Now with that, your feet are gonna be shoulder width apart. You're gonna form a 90-degree angle in both legs. Try to keep your knees off the ground. Engage the core and get ready to start in 2, 1, let's go. That burning sensation that you're feeling right now, that's what you want. Keep pushing. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Mule kicks are going to be next. You're gonna stand with or sit on the ground with your shoulders right over your wrist, your hips right over your knees. You're gonna bring your one leg up as high as possible, keeping your toes pointed towards the ground, engaging the core. This is gonna be great for your glutes and also your core and your shoulders too as well. Let's go. "15 seconds left. We're almost done with this workout. Keep on kicking it out there. Take your time. Slow is definitely fast with this workout. 3, 2, 1, and break. Posterior plank is going to be next. We're just going to hold that position, making sure your fingers are pointed towards your feet. So facing forward, you're going to come up as high as you can on your hips and hold that position for 30 seconds. Make sure you engage the core. This is great for your chest and also your triceps and glutes and back. Make sure you breathe throughout this whole entire workout. Keep your hips up as high as possible. Almost done. Three, two, one, and break. Scapula push-up is going to be next. We're gonna hold ourselves in the push-up position, a high plank. All right, we're gonna slowly bring our shoulder blades together. We're not actually doing a push-up, we're bringing our shoulder blades together and pushing right back up. Engage in the core, squeeze the glutes. Let's go. Slow is definitely fast. Take your time with this workout and make sure you breathe throughout the whole entire training. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Russian twist is going to be next. All right, my feet are pointed out straight. If you want this to be a little bit easier, bring your knees closer to your chest. Okay, it's perfectly fine to bend your legs. You're gonna twist to one side to the next, engage in the core. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Looking good. Make sure you get the opposite end hand to touch that ground. Three, 2, 1, and break. Tabletop punch is going to be next. I want you to focus on getting your shoulder blades off the ground. Your shins or your calves should be parallel to the ground. Hinging at the hips, you're going to keep them perpendicular to the ground, your legs, and you're going to keep on pulling. Do not pull on your head. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there, I know it burns. Keep pulling through. Do not tug in your head. Breathe every time you come up. Three, 2, 1, and good job, everyone. You have finished this circuit. You have a couple more rounds after this. Make sure you beat the heat, and let's go at it again. I hope you all had a great workout. Don't forget to share this video with some friends, make them suffer too, and also have them sweat where you show them how it's done, all right? Hit the like button and also follow me on Instagram where I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. I definitely appreciate your support. If you want different types of workouts, make sure you look at the top right hand corner. I have more exercises there that you can utilize to your fitness pleasures. Make sure you hydrate. I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach, and I will flex with you on the next video. Peace.